Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to curve text in Canva. Curved text adds a creative and professional touch to your designs, making them more eye-catching and unique. So let's start the video. Now go to Canva and open a new or existing design. Click on the text option from the left panel and choose a heading, subheading or a text box. Now type your desired text. Now click on your text so the editing toolbar appears at the top. In the top toolbar, click on Effects. Now in the left panel, scroll down and now under Shape option, click on the Curve option. So click on it. As you can see, the text has been curved. Use the curve slider on the left to adjust the bend of your text. Move the slider left or right to increase or decrease the curve. So that's it. Now you know how to curve text in Canva. Thanks for watching.